And why do you want this job? I'm curious. Seems like the
Number one, I saw your job post that you said that your marketing manager will be the one to tell me what to do. To be honest,
Day 3, let's go. Good morning guys. So karon it's our day 3. So karon it's actually dito ko schedule karon sa gym pero schedule ako sa gym pero ako buhaton karon is dili ko mag-weights. Ano ako, mag walking or probably more on walking siya. Dili na ko schedule sa gym pero kailangan ko maadto kay para parington ta. So I've been doing this since May this year, 2024. Kailangan ako mag-exercise, kailangan ako mag-diet, kaya ako buhaton. So, apoy siya, pero pinakapoyan ako is ganahan kaya wala kay food. But I'm still grateful, ganahan pala tayo karon. First thing, kailangan hindi mawala sa ko aning ako ang earbuds kay muni ang gakuan sa ko keep sa color. And you make sure na nakakay dalang cash. Example, kaya 115 pesos ang ilang bayad padalong dito sa bigay. Hala guys, let's go. Good morning!
Good morning.
We're heading to
Korea.
So let's go.
I'm lighting loud because I can play Roblox.
Go.
You're welcome, sir.
Second floor. Good morning! Gusto nila sa gutom na po. Dito na lang eh. Mag-orat ko naman nag-gym. Sayon rin din kaya kung gym yung nag-walking. Actually, di siya gym walking na siya in a few gym na style. Pero it was good. Satisfied ko. Like, I-burn ko like about pila.
Yes, this year has been.
So, I-burn ko at least mga 200 something calories. So, that's good for me. Okay to siya. So, ganyan na guys. Actually, gabi nako schedule 10:30 PM. So, schedule ako 10:30 PM gabi kay interview ko sa isa ka client. Suppose padulong pa lang, potential client pa lang siya. Interview ko niya about sa Facebook ads. So, ako ipakita sa inyo ang interview kung unsa ko nagpuliki sa English. So, at least na may idea kung unsa gyud ang feeling kung mag-interview ka sa client. Pero don't worry, din ako ipakita ang client. So, nitabo gusto siya kita siya og client, kita siya og freelancer para mutabang siya sa Facebook ads. So, diretso na ko siya ingon nga, okay, muna akong buhaton dire, ipakita sa inyo ang interview na among recording. So, yeah, let's go.
yeah. So basically, it's gonna be a really quick call. I have a bunch
Sure.
So I said rather than send you a bunch of questions to respond on Upwork, it's better to meet like one face to face for 15 minutes, see each other and see how everything goes. And if everything is well, by Friday the latest, I'm gonna send you another link where we can schedule like a proper interview where you can ask me all the questions that you have. I can show you the business. We can get into the details.
sure.
Sounds good.
Cool, 100%.
Awesome, man. So, tell me about yourself. How did you start with the whole Facebook ads? How did you get into media buying? What's the background and where you are right now?
Yeah, so I've started working with a bunch of Facebook ad clients since way back 2017 when the dropshipping business went up. So and since then I focus more on doing Facebook ads. Probably around 3, 4, 5 rows.
No, so you had an agency or you were part of an
No, no,
agency?
no, no, no. I was working in an agency. I was one of
Got it.
their staff.
Got
Though,
it.
yeah.
Got it. And how did you start with the Facebook ads? Like basically, how did you get into it? What got you into?
Every time I went to the different online freelancing websites.
And I see that you spend 100,000 to 150,000 in 1 month for one client.
Yes, yes.
Did you work with local businesses?
Yeah, local business as well. We can basically create custom audiences out from those data that we gather. Probably make a lookalike audiences, and from there we can make advantage campaign budget or the CBO.
And why do you want this job? I'm curious. Seems like the
Number one, I saw your job post that you said that your marketing manager will be the one to tell me what to do. To be your logic, I want you to scale this one. I want you to add this budget. I want you to test this creatives. I want you to test this headline, test this copies.
Yeah, so basically we need somebody to take care of the media buying stuff. There's really no time. I mean, I'm doing it right now, and the client is, you can think of as a friend of mine. I really don't have any more time to focus on this. And business is good. It's a local business. They have different locations. It's in the wellness space. They have like flotation tanks, different holistic treatments like therapy, infrared sauna, cold baths, a lot of things like this.
Okay.
And I really don't have time to stay in the ad accounts because it's franchise, so each different location has different ad account. Even if the ads are the same and the copy is the same, the optimization is different. So you have to get inside each ad account.
True.
This is like this. We have to improve here. This is like under the over the metric, so things like this over the limit. So with that, it's what I need help, and based on that, we can make decisions. And when we need like creatives and that, we can take care of that. So basically, that's the job, I'd say.
Yeah.
That's it from me. Do you have any quick question that I can respond for you, that I can answer?
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for that information. I just wanted to know if you guys already have someone that you can write the copy, the creatives.
Mhm.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
good.
Yeah, so we have the client is doing also the content because it's like local stuff, and they do videos inside the company. They have a video guy as well. I'm doing the copywriting, the scripting of the
Okay.
videos. So all of that is taken care of. If you need something, you just have to ask. Anything else that I can answer for you before we go?
That's pretty much it, man. Thank you so much.
Awesome, man. So then I'm gonna the latest, I'm gonna get back to you by Friday if everything is good, and we can schedule the big interview where we can get into the details then.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Awesome, man. Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot.
Enjoy
Have a
the
good
night. Talk soon. Bye-bye.
So, nakita ninyo. Akong interview, katawanan ko interview so muna ako interview sa karon. As of the moment, wala ko balo kung madawat ba to or dili. Pero at least tagaan mo glimpse kung unsa gid ang mga requirements sa client, the way sila mo hatag og interview sa inyo. So kabalo na mo unsa inyong kinapangita ng mga questions. Pero actually, naman ko yung mga training na unsa mo pag pagpasar gyud ang mga interview. Dahil mga sigurado possibility basta hindi ko madawat ato, pero okay lang na squad because the more knows that you will get, the closer you are to your yes. Let's go! Boom! Di ba? Wala tayong mga iping at pinanetworking ba, di ba? Eh kung di mo madawat nga, ang freelancing is all about, is like, wala bitog ka ng namingwit ka, no? Di mo makuha dahil ang gusto niyo ng isda. Probably gani, pakakakuha isda. Unang freelancing is all about. Pero ang importante dia is you learning sa mga journey nimo. Maka-learn ka sa mga journey nimo. No, maka-learn ka mo na yung pinaka-importante yun. Maka-learn ka. At the same time, dili ka mo give up sa imong mga dreams. Right? Kung mo give up ka na saan na lang yung mga dreams nimo. Diba? Sayang po. And hopefully na kay ma-learn na. What happened to your chair?
It's broken.
A few minutes later.
Yes. Basi makapereta ni ha. Basi makapereta ni sa gym mo. So, thank you so much. Nahuman na kita mong LST. So, karon na adlaw. Day 3. Imagine na, day 3, guys. Day 3. 3 days straight, naka-vlog ko. Kumana po, it's another day. So excited. And di pa na ko yan nag-vlog. Yung mga akong pamikaroon. Thank you so much. Let's go.
Let it go. 얼어붙어 like whoa. 띵하고 어지러워. I see. 한여름에 더 나은 겨울. Yeah, 가요 yeah. 너와 있을 때 I swear.
Balinta o layang lugar kay dili na daw pwede magluto-luto diri sa uko kay
Sa kwan,
Sige,
original.
hindi na.
Hindi ka itong birthday ni Kalet.
o katong birthday ni Tila.
Hi guys, namin dili karon sa gawa sa day back. Okay, we want to eat a lot of meat tonight. Let's go!
Let's go. Asa dapit. Oo, I see.
Ikan mi dito. Lagi.
안녕하세요.
Wala na daw ano. Sayang nga oy. Kami pa ba ilang food dito?
Nag-close.
A few minutes later.
아직도 난 격이 흐릿하게 더 의미하겠나 yeah. 아니 자주 난 어제 일처럼 선명하겠나 yeah. 너의 흔적 없지만 있는 것 같아 일상 속에 또 번져 그 색깔이 바르죠
Hello! Okay, channel?
Facebook at TikTok.
Okay, YouTube.
Wala, magbuhat ako, sir.
Punta ka YouTube.
Magbuhat ako.
Saan may mong Facebook?
Jerry Corong.
Ha?
Jerry Corong.
Ito. Post Lake TV. Hello?
Pagkananta mo, sir.
Ha?
Kananta ko, ani. Yun yung mga... Ano eh? Mga live.
Mo ba? Grabe guys, what a day today. So, ako nagipanayan akong tingog, kinatulog na ako mga bata. So, that ends day 3. See you sa next vlog. Let's go.